Hey guys, Backridge Tough Saws. First glance on opening the package, I was like, it's a pretty decent saw. For its price range, I'm going to say that it's the higher end for its price range. It's not going to compare to a $60 saw, but if you want a saw that's inexpensive, to have a couple maybe, I keep one in my pack. I got one in the Jeep. Probably put one in the ATV. It locks in two positions, there and there, so you get that little bit of angle, which is nice. And nice part is it locks when it's closed. It's not going to open up in your pack. It's not going to poke things unexpectedly. It's not going to damage anything in your behind the seat of your truck or wherever you're storing it. It's not going to open unless you push that lock. Nice rubber handle, good grip, good contour to it. Has a lanyard hole. Teflon coated. I'm not sure if it's Teflon, so let's say it's like Teflon. It's not going to rust. Triple blade teeth, triple teeth rather. Really nice part too is this screw here. All you need is a coin. You can use a screwdriver, but all you need is a coin, and you can. It's got a spring behind it. You can adjust how easy or how tight you want that blade to move. So that can be done in the field just by having a penny or a dime, quarter in your pocket. But I mean, once it's there, it appears to hold pretty well. I've been testing these saws out for a couple weeks now, and I'm very pleased with them. For the price range, you can't go wrong. Heck, I'm even going to start a fire with it. Have some lunch. This is going to be good. Melt the cheese. Well, let's eat. Perfect.